Downloading account statements from TD Ameritrade is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your statements easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main navigation menu. Click on it to access your account details and statements. Step 3. Select Statements and Documents. In the Accounts section, look for an option labeled Statements or Documents. Click on this option to view your available account statements. Step 4. Choose the statement period. You will see a list of available statements. Select the specific statement period you wish to download. This could be monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on your needs. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the desired statement, look for a download option, usually represented by a button or link. Click on it to download the statement in your preferred format, such as PDF or CSV. By following these steps, you can easily download your account statements from TD Ameritrade. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.